good, Sid?
What up, Harry? Come here, let me tell you too.
Oh, y'all doing that?
Yeah, COVID, bro.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yeah, just 'cause we brothers, we don't care about that. Yeah.
What's up?
What's good, bro? You alright?
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Come get this fresh cut on Friday.
Yes, sir.
Fresh cut Fridays.
I got faith in you. I believe you can do it.
Because this is miracle.
Yeah, hey, miracles happen every day.
That's why it's called Miracle Papa Show.
Yes, sir.
Hey, man, shoot, it's about time to get ready for this dog trail ride, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to get things lined up.
Hey, I've been doing this thing, what?
About 7
years? 7 years?
Yeah.
And it's getting bigger and bigger every year.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? All the events, not just the trail ride, you know what I mean?
Hey, say it, man. Man, look, Saturday, bro, we got to get a band, bro. Say it. Hey, look, man, we got to get y'all back out there, man. You talk to Santonio.
Yeah, we got to have Jus Once out there.
Think he down to do something June 19th?
Yeah, I know he is, man. We itching for a scratch, my boy.
Come on now.
Yes,
Well, we got the back scratcher.
Call him up right quick, man. Please. We need to do this, man.
Hey, Tom, what up with you, man? Hey, hey, Harrison up here at the barber shop, man. He wanted to holler at you about trying to see about getting us at the bonfire this weekend. Not
Trail
this
ride.
This weekend.
I mean, the trail ride, man. I'm so locked in on the bonfire because that thing is so crazy. Let me let you holler at him, bro. Hold on.
June 19th, you think y'all gonna be there?
Hold on one second.
Alright.
Check your palm pilot.
Palm pilot say you doing that.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
Oh, wait, we in that end. That's what I'm talking about, man. Hey, I hit you up with all the information and all that stuff, and we'll go from there, my boy.
Let's make it happen.
Appreciate it, man.
Alright.
Later.
God bless you.
Yeah, we got to ass up. All right, we good, bro.
It's a go?
It's a go.
But I tell you what, Jus Once would be even greater if you add me in the van.
Nah, bro, you gonna be all in the way.
Come on, bro.
Come on, man.
You need a triangle.
Give me the triangle, bro. That's all I need.
Bro, you ain't getting it. One practice.
I scribble like some O's in my notebook. I'm checking how the hell it looks.
So that's all.
Myself in the zone. I get nervous when you call. I say I'm not